Managing cash flow is a major challenge for CFOs, with late payments and outstanding receivables affecting liquidity. Aging analysis helps track overdue payments, identify risks, and ensure timely collections. Power BI simplifies this process with real-time tracking, automation, and interactive visuals, making financial analysis faster and more efficient. Now, let's see how this problem is addressed using an aging dashboard in Power BI. At the top, key financial metrics such as debtors, creditors, number of clients, and inventory provide a quick snapshot of the organization's financial health. The days outstanding by company radar chart highlights payment delays across different entities, allowing CFOs to pinpoint areas of concern. The aging days versus withstanding amount visualization categorizes outstanding balances into 30, 60, and 90-plus days, helping prioritize follow-ups on overdue payments. Finally, the amount by days delayed sorted chart breaks down receivables by delay periods, ensuring CFOs can focus on the most critical collections. With Power BI, financial reporting is no longer about static spreadsheets. It's about dynamic, data-driven decision-making. By leveraging interactive dashboards, CFOs can minimize risks, improve cash flow, and drive business growth. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here. Subscribe now and explore more.